Yo, what's up everybody, it's Viral Zap. What if I told you there's a way to make an extra $1,000 a month? Not just some far-fetched idea, but using something you probably already have in your pocket, your phone. We're talking AI, and no, you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. We're diving deep into the world of AI side hustles that are absolutely crushing it in 2024. Stay tuned, because I'm about to drop some seriously valuable knowledge bombs. You don't want to miss this. First up, we're talking AI freelancing. This is huge right now. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are exploding with people looking for AI services. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding wizard to offer them. AI tools are your secret weapon. They're like having a team of experts working for you 24/7. Imagine writing a killer blog post in minutes with ChatGPT or creating stunning logos with DALL. People are making serious bank selling these services online. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars per gig. It's like printing money, but with AI, think about it. People are always looking for high-quality content, and AI can help you deliver it faster and cheaper than ever before. You can offer AI blog writing, AI voiceovers using platforms like ElevenLabs, it's crazy realistic, or AI-generated logos. The demand is through the roof, and it's only getting bigger. And the best part? You can set your own prices and work from anywhere in the world. No more boss, no more commute, just you, your laptop, and the power of AI to rake in those sweet, sweet side hustle dollars. This is the future of freelancing, and you can be a part of it right now. Next up, let's talk about AI print on demand. This is one of my favorite ways to make passive income. Ever imagine yourself as a fashion designer but without the whole sewing and sketching thing? Well, AI's got your back. We're talking about creating awesome t-shirts, posters, mugs, you name it, all without lifting a paintbrush. AI tools like MidJourney and Canva AI let you whip up incredible designs in seconds. Think about it, people love unique stuff. With AI, you can design eye-catching t-shirts, phone cases, even shower curtains. Upload them to platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring, and watch the orders roll in. The best part? You only design it once. Every time someone buys, you make money. It's like having your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. AI handles it all. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales you made while you were sleeping. That's the power of passive income with AI print on demand. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a piece of art, a statement piece, all powered by AI. It's like having a money-making machine working for you 24/7. Chapter 3, AI YouTube Automation, your faceless channel to success. Now this last one is next level AI YouTube automation. Imagine running a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or recording your voice. Sounds crazy, right? But it's totally possible with the power of AI. We're talking about using AI to write your scripts, create your videos, even do the voiceovers. Think about it, you can create a whole YouTube empire without ever stepping foot in front of a camera. You could be relaxing on a beach somewhere while your AI-powered channel is racking up views and subscribers. It's like having a clone that does all the hard work for you. Here's how it works. ChatGPT writes you a killer script. Then you feed that script into Pictory, which transforms it into an engaging video with AI-generated visuals. Finally, ElevenLabs brings your script to life with a shockingly realistic AI voiceover. Boom! You've got a professional-looking video ready to upload. And the content? The sky's the limit. You can cover anything from educational content to gaming to product reviews. AI can handle it all. This is the future of content creation, and it's happening right now. So there you have it. 3 incredible ways AI can make you an extra $1,000 a month or more. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Which method are you most hyped to try? Let me know in the comments below, and hey, while you're at it, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. AI money-making is here. Which method will you try first? Smash that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making ideas.